So in every single video you see of me, you see me using a grinder and you see me using knives to model out, but it's usually the grinder that's doing the bulk of the work. I know you guys who are watching this, or at least most of you guys who are watching this, will only use knives and nippers, so thought I'd have a go myself just to prove I can do it. Measure the intake core, which is about half a centimetre so long. So the first rule of trimming with just knives and nippers is make sure that the tools and the equipment you're using are as sharp as they possibly can be. And if you haven't got them sharp, buy yourself a sharpener, watch this video here and learn how to sharpen them properly yourself. And remember, you're going off this wall, not this wall. We're going to take this down. Alright. And reduce the height of this claw to match this one. Try not to get in the way of the camera. Is that right? That's slightly high actually. Now model out. Lateral claw, or the outside claws, model should be wider. Okay. So that's the correct length, correct height. It's modelled out. I'm going to remove any fissures in this horn. So all of these little cracks. Tidy up this bit here. Just take the nipper out, screw it off. That's hard done. Not that hard, is it? Okay, so she's not got the prettiest foot actually, but as you can see, it's now the right angle. The heights are level. They're flat. This model is wider than this model is wider than it normally would have been because there was some loose horn in here. And this one is a nice wide model anyway to alleviate this typical ulcer site. Exactly the same again, same as the back feet but the opposite way around, so there's quite a big length difference here. Measure the inside claw. Make sure there's no loose horn, and remove any fissures. from the heels. Deal with any problems. I think that's slightly too high still there. There we go. Perfect. So this heel was actually high because of the loose horn that was on it. There's a ridge here, you can see I've not taken any away from here at all, but this and this are now the same height, so the weights spread evenly between the toe and the heel and the midpoint. And then there's a nice deep model, and that is how you do that. So we measure the length of the inside claw, which is just about perfect but not quite. Just trim the end off that. Level the dorsal walls, so level these walls together, and trim the inside claw to the same length as the outside, which is there. Go now they're level, but this one's too high, so we're going to take it down. It's kind of bumpy here, so we'll just take a little bit off here to it. Yep. Take this one down. It's dirty, it is right, level, so we're going to go ahead and remove any loose horn now, which that is. And I'm going to come around the front to get this bit. There we go. Okay, so it's much harder and more physically demanding to just use knives and nippers as opposed to using a grinder all the time. But this video just shows that you can do it and you can still get good results. You just got to take your time, persevere, and make sure that the tools and equipment you're using are as sharp as they possibly can be. Cheers for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Cheers.